Okay, today we are going to see how to simplify a square root of a complex number, and we're just going to do it with just algebra. Have a look right here. So last time I showed you guys how to simplify a nested square root, and let me write down the shortcut for you guys. It's the square root of a plus b plus 2 square root of ab. This right here equals square root of a plus square root of b. So how do we do it though? Well, the first thing is, notice this I can be turned into square root of -1. So we can really use this formula right here. Have a look. We're looking at square root of 5 plus 12 times the square root of -1. Okay? Now, for this formula, we need a 2 right here. This is a 12, but don't worry. We can look at the 12 as what times what? We really need to have the 2, and then just do 2 times 6. And now for the 6, which is the same as what? Square root of 36. We want to do this so that we can multiply this and that together. So we can get square root of 5 plus 2 times the square root of -1 times 36, which is -36. Now, can we think about two numbers? When we add them, we get 5. So let me write that down. Two numbers, when we add, we get 5. Together, when we multiply them, we end up with -36. Let's see. I think it would be easy if you look at it like this. Don't do 6 and 6, but 4 and 9 works, right? And one of them should be negative. Which one should be negative? 9 minus 4 will give us positive 5. So right here, A should be positive 9 and B should be -4. All right? So now this right here is the same as square root of 9 plus square root of -4. And then this right here is just a nice number 3. Square root of -4. The negative tells us we have an I, and then do square root of 4, we will just end up with a 2, like this. And this is it. Now, here is a small technical part I wanted to mention. The answer that we have here is called the principal square root of this complex number. And you can just think about this as like the first answer. In fact, if you're taking the square root of a complex number, some people may want you to find all the square roots. In that case, I will tell you all the square roots, this complex number, 5 plus 12i, are both this version, 3 plus 2i, and also the negative version, and -3 minus 2i. So now, which one do you put for your answer? Well, you just have to ask the person who is asking you this question, do you just want the principal square root, or do you want both the square roots of the complex number? I think that's how I can make it super clear for you guys. By the way, if you guys like this t-shirt, link is in the description. Thank you.